Hey everybody, Nick here. I wanted to show you a few items that are now available in my shop at shop.thebeardedhousewife.com. These are my Valentine's Day treat holders, and we have a variety of different ones for you. This is my You're Berry Nice. You Make My Heart Soar. Just a simple Happy Valentine's Day with that cute little heart. You Roar So Awesome. And then Be Mine. Now all of them, I'll use the B one as an example, all of them hold a little chocolate piece, and then on the back is the to and from for your child or for you or whomever to be able to personalize who that's for. Okay? I'm going to go ahead and show you how the Happy Valentine's Day treat holder comes together. So let me go ahead and get everything cut out and then we can assemble it. Okay, we have everything all cut out, and now it's time to go ahead and assemble. I've already layered the red heart on top of the lacy white backing. So now let's just go ahead and finish up this assembly for this particular treat holder. First thing you want to do is fold along the score lines. There are the 3 score lines here. You're going to need to change those to score in Cricut Design Space. And then the to and from tag, and then the little banner, no matter, or depending on what file you're using, the little sentiment is going to be different. But you're going to want to change the text on both of these pieces to pen, and then don't forget to attach don't forget to attach everything together. Okay, so we're going to fold along the score lines. So all 3 of them fold away from you. So fold away, away, and then bring that one to the back so it folds away. Okay, now we can add our to and from tag, and you're going to want to place this right above the small tab here on the bottom. A good way to know which one is which is this square is the largest square of the whole piece. Go ahead and center that. There we go. All right, now flip that over. Now you're going to want to take your chocolate, place that on the inside, line up one edge of the wrapper with the score line on the bottom, and then fold that up. Make sure to center your chocolate. Fold that up, press it with one thumb, and then put one staple. Now you're going to want to try to center it here on this flap right here so that you can adhere the chocolate, and then that creates our little stop for our top flap there. So it folds down like a matchbook would. Okay. Now let's take our Valentine heart and our banner and place that on. Try to center it the best that you can. Now to place the embellishment onto the treat holder, you want to try to cover up the staple the best that you can. You don't really have to. If you want to use it as a decorative accent, you totally can. I just like to cover that up, and then I like to line up the bottom of the little banner with the top of the flap right here. Okay, so it covers up that line too. So I'm going to add a little bit of adhesive to the back of this embellishment. Line up my center. How cute is that for Valentine's Day, for your kids to give for their Valentine's Day parties, or just to give out to family and friends? So simple. The back, it says the to and from. So that one is the simplest of the treat holders that I have. So there's that one. The You Make My Heart Soar with that cute little rocket. You're Berry Nice, so cute with that little teddy bear. You Roar So Awesome, kind of like You're So Awesome, with that cool little dinosaur. He's so chunky. And then the last one is Be Mine. So these are all available in my shop at shop.thebeardedhousewife.com. They come in all kinds of different file formats for you to make on different cutting machines, and they're just so adorable. I think that they are perfect for Valentine's Day. I hope that you make them. Until next time, bye.